Hello everyone, I am Rajni Bhalla, lecturer in Electronics and Communication at SRS Government Polytechnic College, Rishinagar, Ludhiana. My today's presentation is on special function registers. There are 21 special function registers in 8051 microcontroller, which are categorized into 3: IO port special function register, control special function register, and other special function registers. Here we can see in control special function registers we have PSW, that is program status word, SCON is serial control special function register, TCON is timer control, PCON power control, TMOD timer mode, IP interrupt priority register, and IE interrupt enable register. In IO port category we have port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3 special function registers. Other special function registers are accumulator, register B, stack pointer SP, serial buffer SBUF, timer 0, timer 1 and DPTR data pointer register. First register is register A, that is accumulator. It is important of all special function register as it holds the result of most of the arithmetic and logical operation. Accumulator is usually accessed by direct addressing. Its physical address is E0. Accumulator is both byte and bit addressable special function register. Register B, it is used to hold 8-bit data temporary. The major purpose of this register is in executing multiplication and division in conjunction with register A. PC program counter, it is a 16-bit register which holds the address of the next instruction to be executed. IO port special function registers are, there are 4 input output ports, namely P0, P1, P2 and P3, has got 4 corresponding port registers with the same name P0, P1, P2 and P3. Data must be written into the port register first to send it out to any other external device through the port. Similarly, any data received through the port must be read from the port register for performing any operation. All the 4 registers of port register are bit as well as byte addressable. Next is stack pointer SP. It represents a pointer to the system stack. It is a 8-bit register. The direct address of stack pointer is 81H and it is only byte addressable. The content of the stack pointer points to the last stored location of the system stack. PCON is power management register. It is used for efficient power management of 8051 microcontroller, commonly referred to as PCON register. There are 2 modes of this register, idle mode and power down mode. PSW, program status word or processor status word. This register reflects the status of the operation that is being carried out in the processor. Here from the diagram, PSW register is shown where D0 bit of PSW shows parity flag, D2 indicates over flag, D1 is user definable flag, RS1 and R0 are used to indicate register bank, D5 indicate general purpose status flag, D6 indicate auxiliary carry flag and D7 of the program status word indicates carry flag. RS0 and RS1 in PSW register indicates register bank to be selected. If RS0 and RS1 is 0 and 0, the register bank selected is 0. In case of 0 1, register bank 1 is selected, 1 0, register bank 2 is selected, and in case of 1 and 1, register bank 3 is selected. DPTR, data pointer register. The data pointer is user accessible 16-bit register. It can be used as a two independent 8-bit register, DPH and DPL, data pointer register high and data pointer register low. High and low here indicates higher order and lower order bits of data pointer register. Both are only byte addressing is possible in both cases. IP is interrupt priority. It is used to indicate the relative priority of each interrupt. 0 indicates low priority, 1 indicates high priority. Both bit addressing and byte addressing is possible for this register. IE is interrupt enable. It is used to enable or disable any specific interrupt. Both bit addressing and byte addressing is possible in this special function register. SBUF, that is serial input output buffer, it is used to send or receive data via the onboard serial port. Only byte addressing is possible for this register. SCON is serial communication control. It is used to configure the behavior of the serial port. Both bit addressing and byte addressing is possible. Next is timer 0. Timer 0 is divided into two 8-bit registers, namely TL0 and TH0. L and H here indicates lower and higher order bits of timer 0. Only byte addressing is possible in timer 0. Similarly, timer 1 is also divided into two 8-bit registers, namely TL1 and TH1. Only byte addressing is possible in this case also. TCON is timer control. It is used to configure and modify the way in which two timers operate. Both bit addressing and byte addressing is possible in this case. TMOD, timer mode register. This register specifies the mode in which two timers operate. 4 timer modes are available: 16-bit timer mode, 8-bit auto reload, 13-bit timer, 2 separate timers. Any of the mode can be selected with the help of timer mode register. Only byte addressing is possible in this case of special function registers. That's it. Thanks.